this video, Ray will begin making the arms for the American comeback Windsor Chair. With fresh filled straight grain timber being unavailable in Ireland, Ray uses a different method from the Americans for the arm construction. Here we have the component templates in white with the templates of the completed arm. The templates are oversized and the arm is trimmed back to the final size just before construction. The arm pieces are planed to approximately 22 millimeters. The arm components are positioned and marked with a 3 1/8 overlap for the construction of the scarf joint. Waist is clearly marked to avoid any mistakes. Ray uses a specially constructed guide block. One face is cut off at 27 degrees off the perpendicular and the other face at 27 degrees off the horizontal. Sharp screw points protrude from the base for grip. After tapping the guide block into position, a tenon saw is used to remove the waist. The bulk of the waist is removed on the bandsaw. A backless Japanese saw is used to finish the cut. Over the years, Ray has tried different methods of waist removal in order to make a good scarf joint. He has settled upon the shoe and router technique as the best method. A reflective piece of card and the torch are inserted into the exhaust port. The stock is 22 millimeters thick, so the router is set to remove 11 millimeters. A long chisel is used for cleaning up. coarse sanding disc is used to sand the end of the blocks. Happy with the dry fit, Ray marks the correct alignment across the joint. Glue is applied to all the surfaces that need to be joined. The joint is lined up and the push-grab blocks are clamped into place to close and squeeze the joint. A 3-inch waste block is placed in the vise in order to get enough clearance to glue up the other side. The joints are left to set for 24 hours. Planing now gives a perfect top surface for gluing on the top layer of blocks. From 22mm stock, the top and bottom surfaces are planed down to approximately 18mm. The bottom surfaces of the top blocks are planed and the ends are sanded perpendicular. The exact center point of both the arm and the middle block must be accurately determined. The center block is glued in position. The push grab blocks ensure a good closed joint. Clamps are removed and the top is planed to approximately 1¼ inch thickness. The arm is now ready for the next steps. 15 holes will be drilled and the arm will be reduced from 50mm to 31mm. Thank you for watching.